Shemai Borda. Today I'm going to Birmingham University to check out the upgrades that opened about 6 months ago. See if it's held up to the test of 6 months. So I'm starting today's journey at Newport, Casnewydd, Cymru. Going to platform 3. Oh, that's the Ebervale train. I thought they switched out the rolling stock. I thought they replaced it with the Class 197s, I think. That's the train to Nottingham. I like that.
That is actually more modern than the one we had.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, just to say we got a ticket.
The lads filmed the thing in
So
the station,
that's the. So this is the child's fare for him.
Yeah.
And then my ticket here.
Okay.
Way out is up here, up these stairs. So it's a very big open area. So there's down to platform 2. There's the lift, and here's the automatic door that goes over the canal. I'll tell you what, that might be heritage. Big station. There's another cross-country train over in the distance there. There's the university. Pretty plant.
Cool.
Is there a way to get down? There is a way to, yeah. There's a way to leave that way. Yeah, I think we could go this way. Worcester and Birmingham Canal. It does look like Spaghetti Junction. Through there is platform 2 on this side and platform 1 on the other. So, yeah. The new Birmingham University Station rebuild opened in January 2024, with works continuing until March 2024. The original station opened in 1978, but the new station was built because of an overcrowding issue. If you look at the original entrance and exit, you can see how tight it actually was. Now, the old station is now an exit only. To basically sum it up, I think it's a really good station. I think they did a really good job. Just wish I had come here when they opened it up in January. But anyway, never mind. Right, forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.